So we know how to write a program of sum of two numbers by assigning the values as well as by accepting the values from the keyboard. Now, whenever we are going to write a program, the first and foremost thing is whatever program we are writing, can we confirm ourselves that the program whatever we have written that is correct? And as a beginner, it creates some confusion as well as it creates a problem for the programmer to confirm that the program is correct or wrong. So that's why in this class we will confirm first how to write a correct program. And in order to do this, let me first provide you the answer how to write a program by using uh, Python on sum of two numbers by accepting two values from the user. And let me take ideally for this. So file, new file. So the process is a equal to int input, enter first number, then b equal to int input, enter second number, then s equal to a plus b. Then here we have to provide print sum is s. So now we have to save this program. Save as. Let me save the program on Python prg of d drive. So here I just want to provide sum. Now save. Now I have to run the program. F5. So I am getting enter first number. Let us assume 50. Next 70, and we are getting 120. So from this we can say that whenever we are writing a program, we are using one screen, and whenever we are going to execute the program, we are getting another screen. So let me take this example by using paint. So in paint, I can say that we are getting two screens. Let me take a screenshot of this one. So this is print screen, and I want to print this one in paint. So let us take this much. Control X, Control A, delete. Now we are getting this. Let me open another paint, and I'm going to get this screen, right? This screen is already I have taken. So let me take the output screen, this one. So it is print screen. Let me take the new paint, Control V, and from that let me take this much, Control X. So on my paint I want to paste. So this is another screen. So now from this we can say that if this is one screen, this one is another screen where we are getting the results. So the first screen whatever we are using, so this I can say that editor, where we are writing our program. And whatever program we are writing on editor, the result of that we are getting on a screen, and I just want to say this one as output screen, or this is known as Python shell. So let us use the process like this. Whatever I have written in editor, exactly the same answer I am getting on the output screen whenever I will press F5. So F5 or run module. in other way, I just want to say, whatever I am expecting from output screen, in order to get that, I have to write the program on editor. So let me say once again, whatever I want to display on this output screen, depending on that, I have to write a program. So if this expectation is not there, then the program is also not there. Or we can say that depending on our expectation, depending on our thinking, we are writing a program. So as a beginner, why not we will start what to display on the output screen first. After getting a question, we have to write what we want to display on the output screen, and that is known as your expected output. So for every programmer, as a beginner, it is always a good sign to write expected output first. After getting the expected output, it is always a good sign to write the program. Depending on the expected output. Once the program is over, then confirm the answer, whatever we are getting, the answer of expected output and the answer whatever we are getting of the output screen, both are same or not. If they are same, then according to the expectation we are getting result, so that's how our program is correct. If expected output and the output whatever we are getting on the Python cell are different, then make corrections on the program so that you will get the result on the expected output. So expected output never be a wrong one, because that is the final product whatever we want to use. So depending on that expected output, we will go for the program. So in this class, we will just write the expected output depending on the questions. So let me start the part. So first question is, write a program to accept two numbers from the user and display their sum. So the expected output is enter first number. So after this we will get a value 50, then enter second number, the value is 70, then enter, then sum is 120, we are ready. Now second question, write a program to accept three numbers from the user and display the sum of first and second number and multiplication of second and third number. Expected output is, so the question is we have to accept three numbers, so let us accept. Enter first number, that is 20, enter second number, that is 10, enter third number, let it be 5, then sum of first and second number is 30, multiplication of second and third number is 100. So now let us come to the third question. Write a program to calculate the area of a circle. So the things which are unknown to you, always you have to accept that from the user. So in this case we want to find out the area of a circle, and since area of a circle is there, we have to find out the radius. What is the area of a circle? It is pi r square. So the value of pi is known to us, but the value of r is unknown to us. So for that we will simply provide a message, enter the radius of the circle. So the user has to provide a value like 2 for example, then enter, and here we will provide area of the circle is 3.14 into 2 into 2, so that is 12.56. So this is the way how you have to use expected output. Let me write some expected output on this OneNote. So for that I am coming to this part. So now question is, write a program to calculate the area of a triangle. So here we just want to use a formula as half into base into height. So remember in computer there is no symbol like cross. This is not the symbol of multiplication, so you have to use asterisk. So now what is the expected output? So we will go for expected output as expected output. So first we need base, so we will provide a message as enter the base of the triangle. So here we have to provide a value like 4 for example, then we have to provide an enter symbol. This is the symbol of enter, and enter the height of the triangle. So let it be 6. So here at the rough or outside you have to make a calculation, half into 4 into 6, so it is 2, and the area of a triangle is 12. So now here we have to provide area of the triangle is 12. So now let us move for another question, that is write a program to accept a student's roll number, comma, name, and 3 different subjects mark from the user and display the total mark secured, total mark secured, and percentage of marks obtained. Assuming each paper's full mark as 100. So now let me write the expected output first. Expected output. So here I just want to provide a message as I have to accept roll number. So first enter your roll number. So let it be 101. Enter name. So let me enter my name. So as a user I just want to add my name. Then 3 subjects mark I have to accept. I can provide either the subject name or as subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. So I just want to provide the name. Enter the marks of physics, for example. So let it be 70. Next, enter the marks of English. Let it be 60, because the marks I have to accept are out of 70. So next is enter the marks of Python. So as a part of computer I just want to use Python. So it is, for example, 95. So as we are reading computer, so that's why I'm taking the maximum marks of computer. So next, out of that we have to make a total marks secure is, so the total of all these three, so 70 plus 60 is 130 plus 90 plus 95 is 225. So mark is 225. Next, percentage obtained is. So how to get the percentage? That is total marks 225 divided by full marks 300 into 100. So it is at the end 225 by 3. So 3, 7, 21, 15, 3, 5, 15. So 0. So obtained is 75. So this is the process how you will get the percentage and total mark. Let me come to the next program. That is here I just want to write a program to accept a 3-digit number and display the last digit of the number. So we will go for expected output first. So this is our expected output. So depending on this expected output, we will write programs on our Nest Plus. So message is enter a 3-digit number. So let us, number is 742 and I want to get the last digit. So last digit is 2. So now come to another question, that is write a program to accept a 3-digit number from the user and display sum of digits. So the expected output is So the question is, the first message whatever we have to display is enter a 3-digit number, and let it be the same number I want to consider, 742, and I have to provide enter symbol. Then sum of digits is 7 plus 4 plus 2, that is 7 4 11 2 13. So once you will know how to get this expected output, then it is easy to display the answer by writing a program. The reason is, from this you can easily know which one you have to display and which one you have to accept from the user, and depending on that the programming is becomes easy, and you know how to you have to make your program correct. So this much for this class, and some more examples and output we will discuss while we will start writing programs. And if possible, then create questions by your own, try to write expected output, and those expected output will be converted into programs once you will know how to convert expected output into programs. Thank you.